Recently, I discovered an entirely new way of creating presentation slide decks using Microsoft 365's AI capabilities. I'm quite honestly surprised that no one on YouTube has talked about this method so far. I'm sure after today, you will discover an entirely new way of creating your slides using the AI capabilities of Microsoft 365, and the difference is night and day. So if you're someone who has been creating your slides using the Copilot option of Microsoft 365, then this is going to be a revelation for you. I'm Ram Gopal from presentationprocess.com. We help you present your ideas better. Let us jump right in. If you've been following our presentation process YouTube channel, you already know by now that I am not such a big fan of Microsoft 365 Copilot option for creating your slides. The reason is the depth of content of the presentations created using Copilot is not really that great. But today, in the new method, you're going to find an entirely different way of creating deep, rich content presentations using Microsoft 365's AI capabilities. I'll show you the new method in a step-by-step way, and I'll also show you the comparison of the output generated from the new method with the existing method as well. So let us go right in and see what the prompt that I wanted to input into Microsoft Copilot. Intentionally, I committed the same mistake that most presenters commit when it comes to prompting for presentations. I used a simple prompt and expected AI to deliver me a complete presentation. This is the prompt. I'm creating a membership community to help presenters use AI as a thinking partner rather than just as a slide generation tool. This is true, by the way. I'll talk more about it a little later during this presentation. I want to create a marketing deck that showcases the benefits of this membership. The deck should convince the audience why it is essential to leverage AI to think through the content and structure of their presentations rather than simply typing a single prompt and asking AI to generate a 10-slide deck. So this is the prompt. First, I tried Microsoft 365 Copilot to create the presentation. I went to this Copilot option, and then I entered the prompt, and then I asked it to generate the presentation by hitting send. Then Copilot gathered the information and it got some clarity of directions and asked me 4 questions. First one is, who's the primary audience for this marketing deck? I answered the question. Does your membership community have a name? I provided the name. It is Presentation Process AI Club. What scope do you want for this deck? And I said it has to be a 10 to 14 slide deck. And should the deck include a comparison showing the single prompt approach versus the AI thinking partner approach? I said yes. And then it went on to create the presentation, and it reasoned in 9 steps. And these were all the various steps that it went through. And this was the deck that was finally created. This is the title slide. Of course, it has created this plain Jane version. There is no slide theme applied because I didn't have any slide theme applied when I started creating this presentation. It started with a very mundane approach, problem with AI presentations, the single prompt trap, what people do and what they get, single prompt versus thinking partner. Now, it might seem like there is a lot of depth to this content, but if you actually go through the content, you will realize that most of the points that were covered are very superficial. And AI as your thinking partner, and these are the 4 steps and what changes. And then your membership includes this and this. Of course, this has assumed a lot of things. I have not really given any context, and that is the reason why these assumptions are made. And then it finally ends with this, and then join the Presentation Process AI Club, which is the final call to action. So that is how the presentation deck was created. Now let me show you the new way. First, you go here and type M365, which is Microsoft 365 Copilot. And as you type, you will be getting this option. You search for it and then you click on it, and then you will be taken to this page. Of course, you need to sign up because it will ask you this. You will need to authenticate to access this resource. Select continue to authenticate your account, and then you say continue, and then you sign up with your M365 or Microsoft 365 account. Now, let me give you a quick idea of what is the option that we are going to use today of Microsoft 365. The option is this one here called Frontier. Now, this is the option that most people have no clue about. Let me give you a quick idea of what Frontier is, and I've taken this from Microsoft site itself. Frontier is an early access space for the latest AI innovations in Microsoft 365. It lets you explore new Copilot-powered experiences before they are generally available. Of course, you can read the rest of the stuff here. And most important thing here is who can use Frontier. Individuals, people with Microsoft 365 personal, family, or premium subscriptions can also access available Frontier features, and which is a very important thing. And that is the reason why I was able to get to this page here and go to Frontier. When you click on it, you will realize that this is a new Office agent. When you click on Office agent, it opens up this page. And here you have the option to create slides, to write document. You can do a lot of things here. And you can see some example presentations and their templates. Now, all I need to do is to copy the prompt that I used for this Microsoft 365 Copilot, come back here and paste it, and I say, create my slide deck. That's it. Now, it'll start creating the slide deck, and you can see that the way it works is very different. First, it has loaded the skill, and you can see that this is my original request. And then what are the tasks? It clearly writes down what the various tasks are, which is the to-do list. And then it clarifies the task first by asking me a few questions. Who's the target audience? It has already pre-selected this. And what is the presentation tone? Bold and persuasive. Yes, of course, you can choose something else here. And number of slides, you can choose as 11 to 14 slides or whatever the number of slides that you require. There are 3 options here. And then you can choose a theme. And then once you are done, you say submit, and you will be able to get the presentation the way you want it. Now, if I leave it completely off, then it will make the decisions itself based on whatever it thinks as the most optimal way to create the presentation, and then it will start creating the presentation deck. And the best part here is, if you are going to have say a 10 slide deck, then it will start generating 3 slides at a time, so you can actually see what is getting generated. And the most important thing here is it does a very thorough job of searching the web for the various sources, and it shows you what exactly it does on the side. It takes a little bit of time, but it does a very thorough job of creating the slide deck. And you can see that every single step is being shown here, and you will also be able to find the exact sources that have been referred to, which is really reassuring, especially considering that this is being done by Microsoft 365. And then it says presentation planner. The presentation plan is getting generated, and this is the name, and 1 slide is planned, and this is what is the plan here. And it says what it is going to do here and the real cost of getting it wrong. So for each slide, you can see here, each slide, the content is being written here. It might look plain Jane for now because there is no theme applied, no design applied, no pictures are inserted. But then the output that gets generated is truly remarkable. You can see the titles of each slide is being shown here. Of course, when you click on it, you can see what is included in each of the slides. Now, what I'm really impressed about is the depth of the content written here. Take a look at the slide title. It says 2 ways to use AI, only one actually works. This is not the way regular Microsoft 365 Copilot writes its slide titles. You can see that it has a marketing language to it. And I'm really impressed with the quality of the material and the depth of thinking, everything. And you have this option here to get notified in browser when the task completes. So you can click on this and you will be notified. So that is a very good thing because usually it takes a bit of time for you to get these slide decks generated. Now let me show you the final deck that is created. You can see here, after the deck is created, you have this option. You can convert this into a workflow. You can add speaker notes to each slide, which is really wonderful. And it is not one of those boring speaker notes that Microsoft 365 Copilot includes. It is a lot better than that. And then compare single prompt versus thinking partner approach. You can click on this and explore the topic even further. And now I want you to look at the slides here. First and foremost, you have the code for each of the slides and the preview here. And that is what is shown. And you can always start your presentation by clicking on this. Now, as you take your cursor over these slides, you get these 2 options. One is to add to context, which means you can add this slide to your chat context and get further information about it. The other one is to regenerate that specific slide. And this is a wonderful option. You don't have to regenerate the entire presentation deck. You can regenerate just that particular slide. Now let me go to the present option here. Let me go here and I can download or I can share the file. Let me go to the present option and you get this. You can have it in full screen or you can have it in this view. Let me go to full screen so you can clearly see what is being shown here. This is the title. see the quality of these slides compared to the ones that were generated using Microsoft 365 Copilot. Stop prompting, start thinking. Now let me go to the next one. And this is the first slide. And it says, give me a 10-slide deck on leadership. If this is the prompt, then what happens? There is no context, generic is not visible, and 1.2 trillion cost. And you can see that these sources are very clearly written here. And what AI actually excels at, and it shows these, and take a look at the way the images are used. It's really beautiful. And see the infographics here. And you have the steps shown here, thinking partner framework. And remember, I have not given it any context whatsoever, and it has assumed a lot of things and it has created the presentation. Naturally, it is very important for you to do the thinking before you generate any slides, and that is the most important thing, and that is the basis of our club membership. I'll show you what it actually is. If you are interested in joining our presentation process AI club, which is going to be the new membership, if you want to join the waiting list, you can go to the link that is shown in the description box below the video, and you can join the waiting list, and I'll give you more details about this membership. This helps you in a very different way compared to any of the AI tools. Most of the AI tools that you see today in the market are about creating your slides, but this one helps you to sharpen your thinking even before you get to create your slides. So that way you have a clear structure, a proper framework in the way you create your presentations, which actually bakes in 20 years of our experience in creating presentations. And also very popular and most successful frameworks have already been baked into the process. And there are 13 apps in this particular membership, and they will completely change the way you create your content and sharpen your thinking and get ready with any objections your audience might have when you go to present on stage. So this is going to be pretty good, if I may say so myself, because we have tested these apps completely end-to-end on number of situations, and we have been quite happy with it, and we are going to launch it fairly soon. So if you want to know about it, you can click on this link here and join the waitlist and get more information about this in the next few days. So this is about the presentation process AA Club. Now coming back to whatever that we were doing earlier, you can see that it shows slide first versus think first approach, and see the comparison. It's so beautiful. Let me go to full screen, and the look and feel is so nice, and what members get, and of course these are all assumed, but still the layout is beautiful. And see the background and join the community. So this is your call to action, and this is the final slide. It's really beautiful. I'm very happy with the outcome. Now what I showed you was the presentation generated earlier. Now based on whatever that we did on this video, the slides are still getting made, and I can show you the few slides that are actually developed. This is the first one. You can see the quality of the slides here and the options, and then the various infographics, the comparison tables, the image and the details here, and the steps, and before versus after comparison, and what you get as a member, and who this is for, and the role of thinking. So everything is so beautifully done, and it is still reviewing the content. And that is another thing. It actually reviews your content for quality and then gives you a real nice output, just as any proper slide creation tool needs to do. And that is a very good thing. And it says all checks are passed, and it is rewriting the file. And there the task is complete. Let me go to present, and let me quickly run you through the various slides. So this is the first one, the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Absolutely beautiful output. This you cannot really expect from Microsoft 365 Copilot. So if you have Microsoft 365 subscription, this is something that I highly recommend that you try right away and see the kind of results you get. It is truly impressive. And another interesting thing that is happening in the AI world is the power of ChatGPT 2.0 image generation model. I've showed you a very simple trick for you to convert your simple scribbles into high quality professional images that you can use for your slides. This video called I drew this in PowerPoint, ChatGPT turned it into this, is a very useful trick that you can learn as a presenter. I will leave a link to that video right now on your screen. You click on the link, watch that video. You will add a very useful tool to your arsenal, and you'll enjoy creating your visual slides with that. I'll see you inside that video next.